What's up, beautiful family? In today's video we're in a Thai place.
We're gonna eat some Thai food.
It was a long time ago.
And show the view, the view's really
Yeah.
good.
It's a beautiful view in this place we're eating.
It's a beautiful restaurant.
It's a beautiful restaurant inside, but we're outside.
Can't really see through wood.
It's okay. You can see the menu maybe.
Ooh,
Whoa.
Jasmine, Thai and Chinese. It's a fancy place compared to like more expensive than.
It's really nice and it's not that expensive.
Yeah, but it's a bit more fancy than what we've been doing recently. Then.
Yeah.
That's nice. Those.
Perfect.
Treat yourself. It's really hot today.
Yeah, it's so hot today.
It's like
But it's all a
muggy.
blessing. Yeah, but I've been sweating like, feeling like sticky. Sticky. So some Thai cuisine in Nepal. Oh, some olive herb for your third eye.
And on the way here there was a Japanese place that looked super fancy and the Indian place that was also tempting us as we arrived here.
This is an Asian little
Corner.
restaurant corner. We love you all. I think I'm gonna show you the food when it comes to. Om Namah Shivaya. A pad thai and a massaman curry with some steamed rice.
Exciting.
Blessed if you do and blessed if you don't. But whatever is in front of you, give thanks.
For enlightenment.
Yeah, and give thanks to show some love.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being you. Thank you for showing up to yourself. Om Namah Shivaya. Super tasty stuff. Super tasty. Thank you.